ma'am.
Good morning. How are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
How was your weekend, children? So this must be a nice weekend, right?
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning. Tell me, how was your weekend? Any special this weekend? What did you do? No special, Kavin. Think about it. Anyone remember what is special?
Happy Ganesh Chaturthi.
Very good. It was Ganesh Chaturthi, right? So did you all enjoy? Did you all sign?
Yes, ma'am.
Pray to God. Yes. And what are all the snacks you had for Ganesh Chaturthi? Any special?
I had Kolkata, ma'am.
Kolkatai, okay. Then what else? Kolkatai, and then?
I had Modak.
Modak, superb. Yeah, Sundal, Payasam, Kolkatai, Modak. Very good. So I hope you all enjoyed along with your family this Ganesh Chaturthi, right? Yeah. Superb, superb. Yeah, very good, children. So this was definitely a very nice weekend. So children, today we will see. So first tell me, is my voice clear and is my screen visible to you all? Yes. Okay, children. Good. Thank you so much. Today, what we are going to do means we are going to see a revision. Okay. Okay, Dhyaneshwan, you had sugar cane. Superb. Kolkata and sugar cane. Okay. Superb, dear. So today we will revise the chapter My Family and I. Isn't it? So what is the name of the lesson, children? The unit name is My Family and I. What is the name of the lesson we learned?
Enama.
Yes. Who's this? Please mute your call.
My family.
Yeah, and My Family and I is the name of the chapter. No, My Family. Okay. My Family and I is not the lesson name. It is the unit name. I will tell you the lesson name. The lesson name is Millie's Scrapbook. Okay. The name of the lesson is, what is the name of the lesson, children? What is it, Alia? Tell me the name of the lesson, Alia.
Good morning, ma'am.
Alia, what is the name of the lesson?
I am my family.
No? See the screen. Can you see the screen? What is it written on the screen? On the top of the screen?
FAMY.
My and family.
My family.
No? Is it written on the screen like that?
Miss Scrapbook.
Yes, very good, Alia. Thank you. So the name of the lesson is Millie's scrapbook. Millie's scrapbook is the name of the lesson. Okay? The name of the chapter is My Family and I. The name of the lesson is Millie's scrapbook. Okay, children? So, what did we learn in this chapter? Did anyone remember? Come on, Dhyaneshwaran, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Dhyaneshwaran, tell me, what did we learn in this chapter?
Hello.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Dhyaneshwaran.
can you hear me? Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me, what did we learn in this chapter?
This chapter, Millie's scrapbook.
Yeah, you are right. We were seeing Millie's scrapbook, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Dhyaneshwaran. And some voice is coming. Please mute your calls, children. Okay. So first, she showed her scrapbook to us. She was showing her scrapbook and telling, this is the scrapbook. You can draw and write in a scrapbook, right? And also you can stick pictures in a scrapbook. Now I want Sarvesh, unmute yourself, dear.
Yes, ma'am.
Sarvesh, tell me, what do we do with a scrapbook?
Stick pictures.
Yeah, then what else we do?
Sorry.
Yes? We stick
Draw.
pictures and? Yeah, very good, very good. We draw pictures, that's right. Yeah. We will write. You're right. Superb. So, have you had a scrapbook before, dear?
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of scrapbook? What did you stick on that scrapbook?
Pictures.
Pictures. Do you remember what pictures you stuck on that scrapbook? Pictures related to your family or pictures related to what you study on the school?
My family pictures.
Okay, superb. Superb, Sarvesh. Thank you so much. So, Sarvesh had a scrapbook before. He had stuck the pictures of his family and he has used it. How many of you have your own scrapbook? Let me know in the chat box. Sai Sanjit, superb. Okay, no problem. You can make your own scrapbook. Okay, when you get free time. So this quarantine time, you will get lots of free time, right? If you have free time, you can make your own scrapbook. Okay, okay. So few of you have scrapbook on your own. That's okay. So you can draw and write in a scrapbook. You can stick pictures in a scrapbook. Scrapbook is nothing but it is a plain book. Okay, children. It is a plain book. It will have colorful pages. Colorful pages. The classwork note we are writing will have thin pages. If you use a sketch pen on that page, your paper will get destroyed. Am I right? Let me ask someone. Sai Shant, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Sai Shant.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Have you
Can
tried
you try
to use
to use
sketch pen
and color note? Ma'am, sorry, tell me again. Okay. No, ma'am. Okay.
So, children, if you try to use a sketch pen on your classwork note, you can see the sketch pen will destroy your classwork note because the paper is so thin. The paper will get whatever you wrote, it will get transparent, the colors will smudge, everything will happen. So, but a scrapbook will not be like a classwork notebook, okay? A scrapbook will have thick papers like chart papers, so that if you color or draw something, it won't smudge, it won't destroy your paper. Okay, children, you can stick something, it won't destroy your paper. You can do some craft works or artworks, it won't destroy your paper because the scrapbook have thick papers. It will have colorful papers, okay, so that it looks nice. So that's how a scrapbook looks like. You can stick pictures in a scrapbook, you can draw, you can write something. So that is a scrapbook. So Millie is showing her scrapbook to us. She has 4 pictures stuck on her scrapbook. Now, Sai Sanjit, unmute yourself. Sai Sanjit. Quick dear, unmute yourself, Sai Sanjit. Okay, I will wait for you, Sai Sanjit. Bride, and you unmute your call.
What, ma'am?
Bryden, tell me what are the 4 pictures that you are seeing on the screen of Millie?
Playing.
Yeah. Yes?
Singing. Dancing.
Okay. Yeah, super, Bryden. So Millie is, thank you, Bryden, thank you so much. So Millie is introducing herself to us. She is saying, this is me. These are my handprints. I love to sing and dance. So children, she is telling she loves to sing and dance, isn't it? So we, while learning about this chapter, we saw that what do we love to do, isn't it? So what are our favorite hobbies? We saw that. So after that, the next page of the scrapbook is this. She has 4 pictures stuck on her scrapbook. Tanu, unmute yourself, dear. Tanu, Sai Sanjit,
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
waiting for you. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Tanu, tell me what are the 4 pictures you can see on the screen?
And print.
Handprint, okay then. Then what did you see?
Speaking.
Sleeping, no?
Speaking.
Nobody. Speaking. No, they are not speaking. The first picture, in the first picture, what is Millie and her mother doing? Yeah, they are hugging each other. Then what is the third? Okay, wait, Sai Sanjay. Be ready, okay, when I call you. And the third picture, what is she doing?
She's singing.
Okay. No, dear, she's not singing. I have changed the slide. I think it's not loaded for you still. Okay, I will tell you. The 4 pictures, the first picture is Millie is hugging her mother. The second picture is the handprint of her mother. The third picture is Millie's mother helping her with her lesson. Fourth picture is Millie's mother painting. Okay. Thank you, Tanusha. Sai Sanjit, unmute yourself, dear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Sai Sanjit. Tell me, what is Millie's mother's hobby?
What, ma'am?
What is the hobby of Millie's mother?
Painting.
Very good. What is the profession of Millie's mother?
Artist.
Very good. Very good, Sai Sanjit. Thank you so much. You can mute yourself. Yes, like Sai Sanjit said, Millie's mother's hobby is to paint. She loves to paint. And she is also an artist. Her profession is she is an artist. Okay, children? Adishwar, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, and Adishwar.
Yes, ma'am.
And how does Millie's mother help her? Millie's mother?
Reading.
No. No, it's not reading.
Lesson.
Very good. Millie's mother helps her with her lessons. While she is trying to learn her lessons, her mother helps her. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Super. Thank you, dear. Thank you, Adishwar.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, Kavin. Yeah, thank you, dear. Kavin, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Kavin, tell me, what are the 4 pictures you are seeing on the screen?
Millie's dad is playing with Millie.
Yeah.
Millie's dad stuck her handprint. Millie's dad likes to bake. And he is a banker.
Wow, super. Super, Kavin. Thank you so much. So, like Kavin said, this is Millie's father. Okay, the first picture is Millie and her father are playing. He works in a bank. So, his profession is banker. Someone who is working in a bank, we call them a banker. Also, He loves to bake. That is his hobby. Okay, he loves to bake. He bakes tasty cakes. Okay, so we all have a different profession. We all have a different hobby. Some people have a same profession as well as same hobby, like Millie's mother. Her profession was painting as well as her hobby was painting. Like that, Millie's father has a different hobby and different profession. He loves to bake tasty cakes, but his profession is that he is a banker. Okay, children? Now, Mohammed Zain, unmute yourself. Zain? Okay, I'm waiting for Zain. I'll move on to the next kid. Mahatmada?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me. Okay, Zain. Okay, Zain. Tell me, what are the 4 pictures you are seeing on the screen?
Grandpa.
Grandma. First one is grandma. Then next picture is?
Fingerprint of grandparents.
It's not fingerprint. It's not fingerprint. What is it?
Handprint.
Very good. Handprint. Next picture?
Grandpa.
Yeah. Next picture?
Grandparents.
Very good. Thank you. Thank you, Zain. Thank you so much. Next, Mahat, unmute yourself.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Mahat, tell me, what is the hobby of Millie's grandmother?
Reading books.
Very good. Mahat? Pavitra, unmute yourself. Mahat, you can mute yourself. Thank you so much. You are right. Millie's grandmother's hobby is reading books. That's a very good hobby, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Pavitra, tell me, what is the hobby of Millie's grandfather?
Gardening.
Gardening. Okay, you're right. Thank you, Pavitra.
You're
Unmute
welcome.
yourself. Yeah. Like Pavitra said, Millie's grandfather's hobby is gardening. He likes gardening. But his grandmother likes reading books. So we all have a different hobby, right? We all can have a different hobby. Some people like to read books. Some people like to bake. Some people like to paint. Some people like to garden. We all have different hobbies. Superb. Rudra, unmute yourself.
Yes.
Okay. Rudra, what Millie? Are they kind or are they rude?
Kind.
Yes, very good, Rudra. Thank you so much. So, these are Millie's grandparents. They are kind. So, kind people, right? So, we should also be kind to others. Of course, it's Millie's grandparents. They love Millie. So, they are kind to her. We should learn to be kind to others. Okay, children? So her grandfather loves gardening. Also, Millie helps him. Now, Akshara, tell me. Akshara, unmute yourself. Alia, mute your call, dear. Alia, mute your call. Thank you, Alia. Akshara, tell me, how does Millie help her grandpa?
Watering plants.
Very good, Akshara. Thank you so much. So, Millie helps her grandpa by watering plants. That was very nice, isn't it, children? We should also help our parents, grandparents while they are doing a hard work. Thank you so much. My grandmother loves reading books. She tells me stories. So, our grandparents tell us stories, right? That's very nice. After that, this is the next page of Millie's scrapbook. What are the 4 pictures you are seeing on the screen? Let me ask Mohammed. Let me ask Akshaya. Akshaya, unmute yourself. Akshaya, please don't take time to unmute. For now, I will move on to the next kid, but I will come back to you. Be ready. Varshita?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Varshita, what are the 4 pictures you are seeing on the screen?
Tell me.
Handprint.
Okay, what is the first picture?
Millie.
Millie and her?
Baby.
Baby and brother.
Baby
and brother.
Baby brother.
Handprint.
Yeah. How is the handprint?
Tiny.
Very good. Super. Thank you, dear. Thank you so much, Varshita. Yeah. Akshaya? Please unmute Akshaya. Akshaya, tell me, so what does Millie like to do with her baby brother?
He'll play with her. Him.
Very good. Very good, Akshi. To play with him.
And he runs too.
Very good. Super. Thank you so much, Akshaya. Also, Millie sings. Yeah, thank you, Akshaya. Also, Millie sings. Alia, please mute your call. Yeah, thank you, Alia. So, Millie sings him the rhyme. We do that if we have a little brother or sister, right? We like to play with them. We sing rhymes. Super. Wait, unmute yourself. Mohammed, wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Mohammed, wait. Tell me what are the 4 pictures that you are seeing on the screen?
Dog.
Yes?
Dog.
Dog. And what is the other picture?
Playing games.
Okay. But the next picture is not playing games. See? What is this? It's paw print.
Hand.
Okay.
Handprint.
Wait. This is not handprint because dogs don't have hands. They have paws. So it is paw print. What is this? Paw print. And what is the next picture you see? What is he having? The dog is having something.
Ball. Ball.
Very good, Arif. Oh, sorry, Uwais. Next. And what is the next picture?
Dog eat Millie.
Very good. Dog is with Millie. Thank you so much, Uwais. Thank you so much. Rio, Kevin, unmute yourself. Rio,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me, what is the name of this dog?
Fluffy.
Very good. Whose pet is Fluffy?
Millie.
Very good. Thank you so much. You're right, Rio. Actually, Fluffy is Millie's pet. Isn't it? Fluffy is a dog, so it's Millie's pet. Vihan, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Vihan, tell me, what does Millie and Fluffy play together?
What do they play?
They play ball.
Very good.
Together.
They play with a ball. Superb. Thank you, Vihan. So, Millie and Fluffy play with the ball. Isn't it? Now, this is Millie's scrapbook. This is what we learned in the first chapter. We learned about Millie's family. We learned about Millie. We saw her father. We saw her mother. We saw her grandparents. We saw her little baby brother. Finally, we saw Fluffy. Okay, children? So in the scrapbook, everyone put their handprint. Even Fluffy has printed its paw print. So this is Millie's family. Isn't it, children? So that's all. Let me ask you questions. Samyukta, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Samyukta, tell me, what is a scrapbook? Tell me, what is a scrapbook?
Fluffy.
No, dear. What is a scrapbook?
Yes. Fluffy, yes. And Fluffy.
Scrapbook is a book. Okay, Samyukta, listen. Samyukta?
Ma'am.
Samyukta? Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, this is Tanusha, ma'am, not Samyukta.
Monisha. Okay.
Tanusha.
Okay, ma'am. Tanusha. Okay. Okay. Samyukta, please unmute your call.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, what is a scrapbook?
We can draw, write, and stick pictures.
Very good. So you're right, Samyukta. Scrapbook is a book. First of all, it is a book which we can draw, write. Also, we can stick pictures. Thank you, Samyukta. Now, Venkat. Who is this Venkat? Can you tell me your name, please? Unmute and tell your name.
Ma'am, this is Shyam actually, it's not Venkat.
Shyam. Okay, sir. Okay, thank you so much. Shyam, tell me, what is Millie's favorite hobby?
Singing and dancing.
Singing, dancing.
Very good, Shyam. Thank you so much. Sarvesh, unmute yourself. Thank you, dear. Sarvesh, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Sarvesh, tell me, what is the hobby of Millie's father?
Baking cakes.
Very good. He loves to bake, right? Super. So, and anybody I left out without asking questions? I hope I asked questions to everyone. If I left out anyone, let me know in the chat box. Okay, Adila. Adila, tell me. Adila, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Adila, tell me, what is the hobby of Millie's grandfather?
Gardening.
Very good. Can you tell me the hobby of Millie's grandmother?
Reading books.
Very good. Superb. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you so much. So that is right. So children, time is going to get over. So I hope ma'am has took the attendance. So thank you, children.
Ma'am, end the session with the prayer, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Thank you for reminding, ma'am. So join your hands, sit straight. Let's say the lunch prayer, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Please give me a second. Join your hands, sit straight. Let's say the lunch prayer. Dear Lord,
Dear Lord,
thank you for my
Thank you.
food
my fault. For
that
my
you have
thank
given me today.
given me today.
Let it give
Let
strength that I need and help me develop a taste of food that is only simple and healthy. Mother bless, mother guide, mother protect. Mother bless, mother guide, mother protect. Mother bless, mother guide, mother protect. Thank you, children. Thank you so much. So see you next class. Bye.